Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to enter Fastboot Mode on the MEIZU M5. First, turn off your device by holding the power key and selecting Power Off. Wait until the device is completely switched off. Use the combination of power key and volume down. Hold both together for a few seconds. Release both keys when the Fastboot screen appears. To exit Fastboot Mode, long press the power key until the phone goes black. The device will restart and boot into normal mode. The phone is now in normal mode and you can use it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and leave a thumbs up under the video.